Ever wondered what wisdom a 70-year-old master could impart that could change your life? As the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, I found myself on a hiking trail, an unexpected meeting waiting just around the bend. There he was, a seasoned hiker, a septuagenarian master, basking in the glory of the setting sun. Our paths crossed, and a conversation sparked, as natural as the rustling leaves around us. He spoke of life, the rhythm of nature, and the sacred routine he followed every single day. His words flowed like a gentle stream, carrying profound wisdom that seemed as timeless as the mountains surrounding us. His radiant health, the calm demeanor, the twinkle in his eyes, everything about him was a testament to the power of his daily routine. His vitality was so infectious that I couldn't help but ask about his secret. The master's vitality was so infectious that I couldn't help but ask about his secret. What I learned from the master was quite simple, yet it had a profound impact on my life. The elderly sage had a routine that he had adhered to for decades. He would rise with the dawn, when the world was still hushed and the air fresh with the crispness of a new day. He believed that the early hours held a unique tranquility that was conducive to clarity of thought and inner peace. He would then venture out into the embrace of nature, the dew-kissed grass beneath his bare feet, the whispering wind carrying the songs of awakening birds. This was his sanctuary, his haven from the cacophony of the world. Here, he would spend a good portion of his morning simply being, existing in harmony with the world around him. The master also practiced mindful breathing, a technique as old as time itself. He would sit in silence, focusing on the rhythm of his breath, letting all thoughts pass by like clouds in the sky. This was not just an act of meditation but a celebration of life, of being alive. Consistency was the cornerstone of his method. He believed that the power of this routine lay in its repetition, in making it a part of one's daily life. So I decided to follow suit, to see if this seemingly simple method could bring about a change in my life. I began waking up early, spending time in nature and practicing mindful breathing. As I started incorporating this method into my life, I noticed a significant difference in my overall well-being. The results? They were nothing short of amazing. This method has become a lifeline, infusing days with a surge of vitality, sharpening the mind like a razor, and painting life with vibrant hues of positivity. Imagine stepping into each day with a reservoir of energy, a clear head, and an unwavering positive outlook. This isn't just a method, it's a lifestyle, a transformation. The wisdom of a 70-year-old master distilled into a daily routine. It's simple yet transformative. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your life.